Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll show you why you can't hear Instagram video sound. The reason why you can't hear Instagram video sound is you might have turned off the sound. Now if you open up the app and if you play a certain video and you'll get a little volume icon on the bottom right of your screen just below on the push. So you must be sure that it's not cursed and make it toggled on. Now since I have turned my volume low, what you can do is tap on the volume icon and that you find on the right side of your device normally, and then make sure it's not fully turned off and then turn this on and you'll be able to hear the sound. The another reason might be your app is not updated. Make sure the app is updated. Go to the App Store or Play Store. On the search bar, click over there and search Instagram. To the right side of Instagram, it will either say update or open. If it says update, that means your app needs to be updated. And if it says open, that means your app is up to date. If your app is updated and still continues that problem, then you must reset your app. Now to do so, go to the settings. When you enter on the settings section, scroll down and tap on apps. And again you need to tap on all apps. Once you enter on all apps, on the search bar, click over there and search Instagram. And here you got the different options. Tap on storage and cache. After that, you need to tap on clear storage. This will basically reset your app. Make sure to back off your data and find your way to log in back to app. If you clear storage, the data including files, settings will be permanently deleted from this device. So after resetting your app and you'll be able to hear Instagram video sound. Thank you for watching.